Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking, a season of popular favorites, featuring dishes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. Stay tuned now. Here is today's host.
Hi, welcome to Creative Cooking. Today we come to you from Hampton School for Girls, nestled in the hills of the Santa Cruz Mountain. Joining me for the program are Mrs. Heather Murray, the headmistress of the school, and J'ai Samuda Thomas, a student in 5th form. That's grade 11, right? Yes. Welcome to Creative Cooking, and we're happy that you're hosting us at your place.
It's a pleasure for us to do that.
Mrs. Murray, we want to begin with you. Hampton School for Girls. You have a very rich history. How long has Hampton School for Girls been around?
Well, the exciting thing is that this year we celebrate 150 years. We're having a 20-month celebration, and we're hoping to ensure that the entire Jamaica knows how much Hampton has contributed.
The entire Jamaica will know because, you know, the Old Girls Association is so very strong. They're very active.
Not to leave out the present ladies, they are indeed making us very, very proud. They did particularly well in their CSEC and their CAPE examination, so we are very, very proud of them.
May I say to you that one of the students at Hampton School for Girls passed 11 subjects with grade 1. Mrs. Murray, congratulations. Please convey your congratulations to the
certainly
team.
do so.
Tell us about some of the other achievements.
Well, other achievements at the CAPE level, I'm very, very proud to say that all 77 ladies matriculated for university. So it meant that every single girl from 6th form was able to go to university. And also, one of the things I'm very, very proud of as well, academically, is the fact that of the 151 ladies who sat the CSEC examination, 125 ladies managed to pass 7 subjects or more. That, I think, is worthy of commendation.
Congratulations.
A pleasure.
And please convey this to the team.
I will.
Now, J.I., I am told that you are perfect at making cheesecakes. You have perfected the art of making cheesecakes. Am I right?
Well, perfect isn't a word to be used, but I guess I can do it well. I'll be making for you cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake, and we'll start by preparing the crust. I add a cup of oats, Grace oats, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And I'll combine them. Okay, after combining all ingredients, we then have to add it to the greased pie dish. We add the ingredients by pressing them to the bottom of the pie dish to create a base. After doing this, we're going to bake the crust for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to add 3/4 cups sugar to the cream cheese, the vanilla, and 3 eggs. We're going to mix this well with the mixer. Our crust was prepared ahead of time, so now we're going to add the filling to the prepared crust. Now we're going to put this in the oven at 450 degrees for 10 minutes. Then we'll lower the heat to 250 degrees Fahrenheit for half an hour.
Hi, Jay.
Hello, Maisie.
A very quick process, eh?
Very quick.
It really looks very good. Is it something you share with your family at home?
Yes, I share it, and sometimes I get the chance to actually make it for others.
Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Well, congratulations. You've done a very good job. You're doing CXC this year, right?
Yes, I am.
How many subjects are you doing?
I'm doing 10 subjects.
Oh, 10 subjects. And you're going to pass all 10 subjects, right?
Hopefully.
Okay, yes, you will. Well, all the best as you prepare for your exams. And you didn't tell me about career plans. What career plans do you have?
Well, I actually plan to go in food for my career.
Beautiful! Wow, wow. I that stimulates me. I'm happy to see the younger people wanting to pursue a career in the area of foods. Congratulations! All the best.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for staying with us. In today's mailbox, we have a musical treat from Monroe College Choir.
Rock my soul. Won't you rock my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Rock my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Rock my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Oh, rock my soul. Rock my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Rock my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Rock my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Oh, my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Oh, my soul in the bosom of Abraham. Oh, rock my soul. Jehovah Jireh, my provider, His grace is sufficient for me. Jehovah Jireh, my provider, His grace is sufficient for me. The Lord shall supply all my needs according to His riches and glory. For He gave His angels charge over me. Jehovah Jireh cares for me, for me, for me. Jehovah Jireh cares for me. Jehovah, His grace is sufficient for me.
We thank Hampton School for Girls for hosting us today. And thanks to Monroe College Choir for an excellent performance. In closing, here is a Grace food and kitchen tip. Do not use metal utensils on non-stick bakeware. Instead, use a sponge or plastic mesh scrubber to remove baked-on foods. If you have any question about meal preparation, please do not hesitate to contact us at Grace Kitchens. Remember, we are here just for you. We thank you for watching. Till next time, walk good.
His grace is sufficient for
We hope you enjoyed today's show. It was one in our season of popular favorites, featuring dishes suitable for all the meal times of your day. Be sure to join us again next Monday morning at 7:35 on Smile Jamaica for the next program in this series of creative cooking. Don't miss it.